Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Oosh Slime is probably one of the most popular and versatile sensory toys available today, offering endless hours of squishy, stretchy, and satisfying fun for kids and adults alike. Its unique texture and vibrant colors make it a go-to choice for creative play, stress relief, and even as a fun party favor. Whether you're looking for a way to keep little hands busy or a nostalgic throwback for yourself, Oosh Slime delivers a tactile experience that's hard to beat, making it a staple in toy boxes everywhere. Number 5. Original Stationery Unicorn Slime Making Kit. Embark on a magical journey of creativity with this DIY unicorn slime kit. It comes with glow-in-the-dark slime and over 25 unique add-ins for endless fun. Encourage hands-on fun and a break from screens with this unicorn-themed kit. It's designed to enhance motor skills and coordination through imaginative play. This slime set is perfect for unicorn birthday parties or as a special gift. It provides an exciting group activity that everyone can enjoy together. Designed for creative minds aged 8 to 12, this kit inspires artistic exploration. You can make countless imaginative slime creations with its diverse components. Let your imagination run wild with this enchanting unicorn theme. It's an ideal choice for a birthday present, supporting innovation and self-expression. What we like. This kit offers endless creative possibilities with its glow-in-the-dark slime and numerous add-ins. If you are looking for a magical and engaging activity that encourages screen-free fun and sparks imagination, this is the perfect choice. It's especially great for unicorn enthusiasts and birthday parties. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to hands. It's a good texture and easy to play with. The colors are vibrant and appealing. Number 4. GirlZone Egg Surprise Mermaid Sparkle Slime Kit. Get ready for an enchanting experience with this magical slime kit. It's packed with everything you need to create dazzling mermaid slime and glow-in-the-dark fun. The egg itself transforms into a convenient mixing bowl, making slime creation a breeze. Plus, airtight containers keep your creations fresh for endless playtime. Personalize your slime with fun add-ins like foam balls and mermaid charms. Craft unique DIY slimes that truly express your style and imagination. Add a mysterious glow to your creations. This kit allows you to experiment with glow slime for exciting nighttime adventures and cool visual effects. Surprise a special girl with the ultimate slime making experience. It's a fantastic gift that promises hours of entertainment and inspires hands-on creativity. What we like. Dive into a world of mermaid magic with this sparkling slime kit. The egg container doubles as a mixing bowl and storage, making cleanup a breeze. If you love a good theme and want slime that glows and can be personalized with cute charms, this is the kit for you. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to hands. It has a great texture and is easy to play with. The colors are vibrant and it smells good. Number 3. Oosh Slime Cotton Candy Cuties Series 2 by ZURU. Get ready for Oosh Slime Cotton Candy Cuties Series 2. It's the squishy, fluffy, and stretchy compound you can tear, bounce, or shape into anything you imagine. Just like real cotton candy, it's scented and comes with an adorable slow-rise cutie toy. This toy is perfect for sparking creativity and self-expression. Playing with it also helps develop fine motor skills, making it a fun and educational experience. There are 4 vibrant and fun colors to collect. They are ideal for arts and crafts, school projects, or just hours of imaginative play. Each package includes 1 container of cotton candy bulk compound, a cotton candy capsule for storage, and 1 slow-rise cutie toy. Rest assured, this product complies with international testing standards. Please remember not to eat it. What we like. Experience the delightful scent and squishy texture of cotton candy with this fluffy slime. It's perfect for stress relief and encourages creativity. If you enjoy tactile sensory play and love collecting cute, slow-rise toys, this is a fantastic option for fun and relaxation. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and doesn't stick to your hands. It has a great texture and is very satisfying to play with. The slime comes in vibrant colors and has a pleasant scent. Number 2. Ultimate Slime Kit for Girls. Get ready for hours of fun with this ultimate slime making kit. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing slime creations. With over 50 different supplies, including vibrant colors, glitter, and unique beads, the creative possibilities are endless. You can make it glow in the dark too. This kit makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's ideal for parties and provides a fun, engaging activity for kids. Made with safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly materials, this kit is ASTM certified and borax-free. It's a worry-free way to explore arts and crafts. This activity not only sparks creativity but also helps develop motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a great way to unwind and de-stress. Join the fun and discover why this is a best-selling slime kit. It's designed to keep kids entertained and engaged for hours on end. What we like. This is the ultimate slime-making experience with over 50 different supplies, including glow-in-the-dark options and a vast array of colors and glitters. If you want a complete DIY kit that provides hours of entertainment and allows for maximum customization, this is the best choice for unleashing creativity. What people say. There's tons of glitter and little items that can be added into each slime. The add-ins were a fantastic touch, so many fun options to customize their personal take-home slime. The glow-in-the-dark powder was a favorite. This kit is packed with everything needed to make a wide variety of slimes, including glitter, beads, scents, and vibrant colors that keep kids engaged for hours. Number 1. ELMER'S GU Strawberry Donut Fluffy Slime. Get ready for instant fun with this pre-made fluffy slime. It comes ready to play right out of the box, offering a delightful sensory experience. Indulge your senses with the sweet scent of strawberry donuts. This slime offers a delightful aroma that makes playtime even more enjoyable. Add an extra layer of fun with the included rainbow sprinkle mix-ins. They provide exciting effects and a unique texture to your slime. This scented slime is designed to delight all of your senses. Enjoy the combination of texture, scent, and visual appeal. You get 2 containers of this amazing slime, ensuring double the fun. Perfect for sharing or for extended playtime. What we like. Enjoy instant fun with this pre-made fluffy slime that smells just like strawberry donuts. It comes with rainbow sprinkle mix-ins for added texture and visual appeal. If you're looking for a ready-to-play, sensory delight that engages the sense of smell and touch, this is a perfect treat. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and doesn't dry out. It's easy to clean up and doesn't leave a sticky residue. The colors are vibrant and don't mix together easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.